Hi there. In our last video, we have seen the basic example of how we can use if in Python. Now this was there, if A is greater than B, then this much code will be executed. And then I can write down if B is greater than A, then just print B is larger. All the lines given for example, I'll just remove them. So I'll save it as test2 of if. I just remove all of these lines. So there are two if loops. If A is greater than B, then this line is executed, and if B is greater than A, then this line is executed. This is part of the main loop. So code exiting will print always. Now let's run this code. So if I give A smaller than B, then B is larger, definitely. And if we give the A greater than B, then the same result will be executed. Now the problem is when I give A and B, both of the values same. So 45, 45. Code just got exited. Nothing was printed, like they are equal, because we have not written that they are equal. Now how to do that? It's very simple. And to do that, what we can do is something called as else if. So else if is used when you want to check for one condition. If that condition is not true, then you want to check for another condition. And when that condition is also not true, then you want to do something else. So the structure normally goes like this. So if a condition, then something, else if a condition, then something, and you can have as many else if as you want. Finally there is else. So here it can be written as if A is greater than B, else elif, it's not else actually, it is elif in Python. Elif B is greater than A, then B is larger. Lastly, else print maybe they both are equal, because this will only execute when both the above conditions are false. So maybe they both are equal. Let's try to run, and this time we'll give them similar numbers. So 78, 78. Maybe they both are equal. Here in this case, it's not maybe, they actually are equal. That's how you can use if and else if and else. Thanks for watching this video. In next video, we'll see how we can use just if and else.